Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Maps login problems. Account sync issues, solved step by step clearly. First, check that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh the connection. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can block sign-in. Open the Google Maps app and make sure it is updated from the Play Store or App Store. Update Google Play services on Android, because Google Maps depends on it for login and sync. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic to avoid authentication errors. Go to Settings, then Accounts, then Google, and confirm the correct Google account is added. If you have multiple accounts, switch to the account you want inside Google Maps from the profile icon. Make sure you can sign in to the same account in a browser at Accounts, Google.com to confirm the password works. If the password is wrong, reset it and then try logging in again in Google Maps. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Maps, then force stop to reset the app session. On Android, open Google Maps App Info, tap Storage, then clear cache to remove corrupted temporary files. If the issue continues, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. And remember, you will need to sign in again. Open Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Services, then Storage, then Clear Cache. Also clear cache for the Google app, because it can affect account authentication. Check that background data and unrestricted battery access are enabled for Google Maps if sync is delayed. Disable any VPN or proxy app temporarily, because it can block Google login and location services. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Location, and make sure location is turned on. Set Google Maps location permission to allow while using the app, or allow all the time if you need continuous sync. On Android, open Settings, then Accounts, then Google, then Account Sync, and make sure sync is turned on. Tap Sync now to force a manual refresh of Google account data. Check Google Drive, Contacts, and Calendar sync toggles, because account sync failures can affect Google services broadly. If you see a sync is currently experiencing problems message, remove the Google account and add it back. To do this, go to Settings, Accounts, Google, Remove Account, then restart the phone, then add account again. On iPhone, update iOS and reinstall Google Maps if login keeps failing after updates. Open the App Store settings and confirm you are signed in with the Apple ID that can download updates. If Google Maps still will not log in, try signing in from another network to rule out router or ISP blocks. Finally, check Google's service status online for outages that can temporarily break login and sync. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.